Hello everybody, my name is Sunken127. I'm giving a shout out to someone called Trish. Like that. I just get it on. Wait there. Right. What's going on right now? This guy here, Christopher. I'm giving him a shout out to him because he commented to me if he wants to be on one of my shout outs. And Dark River and all of them. So yeah, Christopher, you're on my shout outs. So you can be on one of my videos. So yeah, you can be on one of my videos. So yeah, so you can be one of my videos, and yeah, you can be in some of my videos. As always, comment me if you want to be in a shout out. Comment me what you want me to play. Top 10 facts. Play, react, see, like this video, and see you guys later. Bye.